Hello and welcome to Nimbus Maps. In this video, I will show you how to save your favorite sites in Nimbus Maps Elite. You can upload existing sites to Nimbus Maps by clicking on Workflow and then on Upload. Download the template and follow the instructions. To view your newly uploaded sites, click on Workflow and they will appear in here and as pins on the map. The workflow will allow you to search individual sites, add new stages, download your sites and notes, and allow you to drag and drop the sites to different stages. To make changes to the card, click on the pencil icon, add your notes and hit save. Click on the three dots to make changes to the stage and the corresponding pins displayed on the map. Click bulk action to purchase all the registers in a stage or to move all cards to another stage. To add new sites to a stage, click Add to Workflow in the info panel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please email us at success@nimbusproperty.co.uk. Thank you for watching.